Okay, first step to do a tumbler on here. In this case, I'm going to be doing a camp cup, which is just essentially a coffee cup made out of tumbler stainless steel. First thing you're going to have to do is bring the gantry to where you will be in the middle of the tumbler or cup, because once you attach the rotary to the port down here, you are basically going to lose access to your Y gantry movement. So find the middle of your cup, move the Z-axis down here. I try and center my little laser on the middle of that knob right there. I don't know if you can see it. Once you have it in the middle, you go ahead and attach your rotary cable to your rotary port. Once you have that set up, you've got to enable the rotary in the software. Okay, we got to go into rotary setup, enable the rotary. In this case, mine has to mirror the output. On my Aeon Super, the steps per rotation is 26,000, and 63 millimeters is good for the roller diameter. Go ahead and hit OK. Now that we're enabled in the Lightburn software, you can see that when you move the Y-axis, the cup turns. Now we have to check level. I like to check the level on the gantry. In this case, my laser is not 100% level, so we need to level the cup to roughly the same level as the laser itself. Which is right about there. Okay, now that we've sent it to our laser, we can go ahead and press the frame button, and that'll generally show where our design is going to end up on our cup. Looks like we're a little bit too close to that wheel down there, so I'm going to go ahead and move it over. Of course, trying to do this with one hand is real fun. Let's go with right there. Okay, now that we are framed up, we should be ready to run our cut. See, our focus is set. So now let's go back into Lightburn and send the file.
And close the lid. And let's see how we do. Press that button.
clean it up with some LA Totally Awesome, which is like $2 from the store. Pretty cheap stuff. It cleans it up pretty good. The engrave itself turned out pretty good. It looks like the handle might have caught on the wheel a little bit, so there's some alignment issues in the actual engrave itself, but other than that, it looks pretty good.